Hey guys, so I thought I would vlog a little bit today because it is my day off. It is Saturday today. It is the 28th of September, I think. But I'm actually not really feeling the best. I woke up with a sore throat, my nose that is very stuffy. So I just drank some tea. It is already, what time is it? 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's not morning anymore. And I was planning on having a very productive day, but because I'm not feeling that well, I haven't been doing a lot. So I thought I would at least vlog, even though I am not looking or feeling the best. I do have some exciting things to share with you guys because one, I got a new iPhone, and actually that's it. My life is not very interesting. I did want to show you guys what I'm wearing as my moisturizer today because I'm freaking obsessed with it. Also, please ignore this huge pimple in the middle of my forehead. I am all over the place right now, but I have to leave at around 6:30 tonight because we're having a dinner with my team. I still have to get ready. As you can see, I did wash my hair, but it is still a little bit wet. But what I'm going to do is actually take a painkiller and then sleep for an hour and hope that makes me feel better. And then I'm going to get ready and head on over to the dinner, and then also maybe vlog a little bit tomorrow. But the first thing I'm going to do now is take some painkillers and nap for a little bit because I'm feeling really tired and crappy. I did, however, want to show you guys this sweater that I'm wearing because I think it is so freaking cute. It's the collab that Levi's did with Hello Kitty. Some of you might think it looks very childish, but for me, I love Hello Kitty. First of all, if you know me, you know that I'm obsessed with Hello Kitty. And second of all, the print just looks very, I don't know, vintagey to me. And it's also a little bit oversized, as you can see. I don't know, I just really love it. And it's perfect for a day like today where I'm not feeling the best. It's just really comfy and cozy. As I mentioned, I just drank some tea. I was watching a few YouTube videos, and now what I'm going to do, as I said, is lay in bed for a little bit. And then I also want to show you guys the new iPhone that I got. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I just got done taking my nap. I just woke up. I'm still not really feeling the best, but I'm going to start doing my makeup, and hopefully that makes me feel a little bit better because, I don't know, when you look more put together, sometimes it can make you feel better. So I'm going to do that, and hopefully I feel like a new person. But as I mentioned, I wanted to tell you guys about the moisturizer that I used. Well, it's not really a moisturizer, it's more of an elixir. This is by Ray Beauty, and it was in the Bright Side Duo, which comes with a spray, which I haven't used. This is what it looks like. Hold on, you have to shake it. So this is what the spray looks like. Again, haven't used this one. And then the bundle also comes with the elixir, which looks like this, if it will focus. I'll show you guys up close, but this is what it looks like. You have to shake it. It's really weird. It has like oil and vitamin C, I think, is what the combo is. But I used it today and it made my skin feel super soft, hydrated. It looked a little bit dewy, but not like super oily or anything like that. I really loved it. So I want to continue using it, especially with the spray. But so far I am a really big fan of this set. I love it. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is do my makeup, and then hopefully I can unbox my iPhone for you guys. Wish me luck. Alright guys, so I have no idea if my camera is even focusing on me. I have to admit, this new camera doesn't have the best autofocusing. It is kind of an issue, but I can look past it. But as you can see, I just did my makeup. My hair is still wet, and the lighting isn't the best, but I did want to show you guys the end result if it will focus. So this is what my makeup looks like, and I thought I would show you guys the star of the show, which is definitely the eyeshadow palette and also the lipstick. So for my eyes, I used the California Love palette by Colourpop, and this is one of my favorite palettes ever. And the glitter that you see on my eyes is this shade called El Capitan or something like that. But yeah, this palette is freaking gorgeous. And then on my lips, I am wearing the Colourpop Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Scenic Route, which was from the same collection, and this has been my go-to lipstick. I've been wearing it basically every single day. So yeah, I thought I would mention it. So yeah, this is what I use today, even though it is not focusing again. But I am really happy I decided to do my makeup. I do feel a little bit more put together, even though my hair looks very weird. Now that I look more presentable, let's go ahead and unbox the iPhone. I do still have to wear something else because this is not really an outfit to go out to dinner. Focus. Thank you. No? Yeah. Anyways, as I was saying, this is not really an outfit to go out to dinner in, so I am going to change. But as long as I'm at home, I'm going to wear this hoodie. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the box of my new, what is this? iPhone 11 Pro Max. This was a huge investment, but I had the iPhone 8 Plus previously. The memory on that iPhone was full, which was super annoying because it kept deleting my apps and stuff like that. So I decided to splurge and get the new iPhone. As you guys can see, it has 3 cameras that look... It looks weird, let's be honest, but I am really excited about that. I also have to be honest with you guys, I got this yesterday when I was at work and I couldn't help myself. I already kind of unboxed it, so I didn't want to lie to you guys and be like, oh my god, this is so beautiful, never seen it before. I have, because I did unbox it yesterday. I couldn't help myself. I am so excited. But let's pretend I am unboxing this for the first time. So let's go ahead and open it up. So now the boxes are actually black. They used to be white, but now they are black. Ta-da! Look at that. So I went for the gold one, and as you guys can see, it has more of like, I don't know if you can see, but it has more of like a matte design, which it used to be a little bit more shiny, but I'm all about it. And then this is what it looks like. So you definitely have like an edge-to-edge screen, which is super exciting. And then again, you have the 3 cameras. So you have a zoom lens, a normal lens, and then a wide angle lens. I bought this at Lab 9 in Bruges, which is actually right across my shop, which is really easy. And I asked them to put a screen protector on it. They have like machines that do it, so I already have a screen protector on it. So I never was able to do the satisfying removement of the plastic because they already did that for me. But yeah, this is what the iPhone looks like. Also, I'm not going to lie, I already installed it and I have been playing around with the camera a little bit. I haven't done it outside but indoors, and it looks freaking beautiful. So yeah, I'm super happy I splurged. I don't have a cover for it yet. I think it will arrive next week, so I'm really excited about that. I'm going to continue playing around with the camera, which for me is the most exciting part about this new iPhone, and definitely keep you guys updated and let you guys know what I think about it. But so far, I love it. So yeah, so far my unboxing of the iPhone. Now I still have about an hour before I have to leave and go to Bruges and have a nice cozy dinner with my teammates. Alright guys, this is what I'm wearing. It's again a really comfy sweater, but as I told you guys, I'm not feeling the best and I just want to be comfy and cozy. So yeah, I'm just wearing an oversized sweater, some black pants, and I'm going to wear my Nikes, I think. So yeah, now I'm going to head out the door and have some delicious dinner. What is up guys, it is the next day. It's Sunday today, and as you can see or hear by my voice, I am still not really feeling the best. I had a very slow start to my day. I got up at 9 and then I had breakfast and I felt terrible, so I went back to bed. I took a painkiller and I slept for another hour and a half, I think. So yeah, I was planning on having a very productive weekend, but none of that happened. But you know what? Stuff like that happens. It's no big deal. I'm really happy that I was able to take it easy this weekend and really focus on myself and getting better. So I hope tomorrow when I have to go back to work that I will feel 10 times better. But as I told you guys yesterday, we had a team dinner and it was really amazing. It was very cozy and I just have the best team in the world. It's currently almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I've already been a little bit productive today because my mom and I already made little like candy bags. She is cooking right now. Little candy bags to give away to clients next weekend because it is like the weekend of the customer. I don't know, I think it's a Belgian thing. and I'm going to give away little bags of candy with every purchase. So we made that today. So I already did something productive. I think I'm still going to do my nails and maybe edit a little bit, but nothing really crazy for today. Again, taking it slow and really focusing on myself. But I did, however, also go to a friend of mine because she picked up a few things at Disneyland. She actually works there, and I saw on Instagram that they had a new sweater and I really wanted to get it, but oftentimes it sells out really quickly, so I asked her if she could buy it. And she did, so I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is the sweater, and of course I also had to get the matching like little head, what is this called, ears, like mini ears. So this is like a beautiful, I don't know how to explain it, like a light turquoise, I cannot speak, like a light turquoise, a light turquoise, that's what it is, a light turquoise shade, and it has all of these shimmers on it. And then this is the sweater. I already have this one in pink and I love it so much. It's really comfortable, it's oversized, and I love it. I will insert a picture of the pink one that I have, but now I also have it in this color. So here it says Disney 1992, which is when the park in Paris opened up, I think. And then this is the back, which is kind of hard to show you guys, but this is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm really happy I have a new sweater to wear next time I go to Disney, and also just lounge around in. So yeah, I thought I would show you guys this to make the vlog today a little bit interesting, because honestly it hasn't been that interesting. But now I'm going to go ahead and edit a little bit because I have a makeup declutter that I want to edit. So wish me luck, and hopefully I will finish it today. Okay guys, so I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm just going to work on my computer all night long, and then tonight I might watch a movie, I don't know yet. But I did want to come on here and thank you guys for watching this vlog. I love you, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.